Hey secret entrepreneurs! In today's video, we're going to show you the way we quickly and easily find a short list of 10 potential private label products to sell on Amazon, all in under an hour. Building a business on Amazon starts with finding great products to sell. The foundation of the business model we teach in our Amazon Tycoon video series is really quite simple. You find products that are already selling well on Amazon and make them a little bit better under your own brand and with better marketing. Choosing the right products is the key to your success. Amazon helps us here by literally telling you the best-selling products. Simply go to Amazon, click on any category, then click the Best Sellers link, and you'll see the best-selling products for that category listed in order of which is selling the most and making the most amount of money. Want an even quicker way? Just type the link on the screen to go directly to a list of all the best-selling products for every single category. Remember, from video 2 of the Amazon Tycoon series, we're looking for products with private label potential that meet our proven product criteria. Once you've chosen a category and spotted a potential product in the bestseller list, then you'll need to gather data on it. You could do this manually as follows. Identify the main keyword for the product. Search Amazon for that keyword. Go into every relevant listing in the search results and note down the price, the bestseller rank, the number of reviews, and the link to the listing page. You'll need to do this for the first 50 or so search results to get a full set of data. As you can imagine, just for one single product, this can take some time to do, let alone for the 10 products we want to get on our shortlist. There's also one other big drawback to doing it manually like this. We can't get any sales data and are left to rely on the bestseller rank as an indication of the level of sales. This is exactly how we used to do it, but we wanted a quicker and better way, and we found it. Here's how we do product research now. We use a tool called X-Ray from Helium 10 to get data on potential products in seconds. I think the best way to show you what we do when researching a potential product is to find one together. Let's choose a category to research and go to the bestseller list. Now here's the magic. All we have to do is click the Helium 10 icon in our browser, choose the X-Ray tool, and in a matter of seconds, it presents us with the data for every product in the list. Isn't that just so cool? We now have access to all the critical data we need for all products: the bestseller rank, the price, the number of reviews, the weight of the product, and the sales data. It even calculates the fees Amazon will charge to pick and ship the item to your customer, so you know exactly how much you need to source it for to have found a profitable product. You can also click on any of the columns to quickly sort. For example, to see the products with the most sales or the lowest number of reviews. It's so much easier to compare and analyze products with all the data presented in a table like this. But here's an even better method we use to find laser-targeted product opportunities. Let me show you another Helium 10 tool called Black Box. Black Box is an extremely powerful tool that will search Amazon and find all products that meet any criteria you set. You can really dive deep into Amazon to find opportunities other sellers would never find without a tool like this. We'll choose a category and set it to match the proven product criteria from the Amazon Tycoon series and hit search. Within seconds, we have a list of hundreds of potential products that fit our criteria. You can sort the results any way you want and quickly see all the important data at a glance. Let's find a product to research further. Here's one that looks interesting. We'll click on the Actions button and view the product on Amazon. Now, this is where the real magic happens. Let's combine the power of Black Box with the laser focus of X-Ray to really find out if this is the awesome product opportunity you're looking for, or whether it's just average and you'll leave it to the other sellers who don't have your ninja tools. Let's take a likely search phrase for this product and enter it into the Amazon search box. Then we say abracadabra and click the X-Ray button again, and we now have the data for many sellers of similar products on Amazon. Not only that, but at the top, X-Ray tells us the average sales price for this product and also the average monthly revenue these sellers are achieving. This looks like a great opportunity, so we'll go back to Black Box and add it to our shortlist. Doing all this manually would take hours for each product, and you would still be missing important data such as sales. Using the Helium 10 tools, we can cut researching a product down to 5 or 10 minutes and very quickly draw up a shortlist of 10 to 20 potential products in under an hour. While other sellers are still on the discovery stage, making bad choices with limited information, we've moved on to finding suppliers and pricing up products to narrow down our shortlist even further. Importantly, we have lots of data to make an informed decision and choose the best product to go with. We're just scratching the surface of the features of Helium 10, but hopefully you can see how it could really help you find awesome products to sell on Amazon. Now, if you would like to get the Helium 10 tools for yourself, then we've lined up something very special for the Secret Entrepreneur Tribe. Use the link in the description below to get a completely free Helium 10 account. The free account is limited, but you get access to all the powerful tools, including Black Box and X-Ray, so you can try them out for yourself. When you're ready to upgrade to an unrestricted account, we have you covered there too, with a special discount code for secret entrepreneurs. Now, I don't know how long we can keep this available for. Helium 10 might get a bit nervous if we give away too many free accounts. So grab yours now and supercharge your product research. Happy product hunting!